Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Warwick, Kingsland, and welcome to 20 Warwick Street, Western Springs. This cute bungalow is full of character and it's such a great opportunity for those who are looking to get their start on the city fringe. The 3 bedrooms make it suitable for small families or couples looking for additional space, while the secure and sun-filled section provides plenty of outdoor space for kids to play or for relaxing in the warm sun. The single garage provides a convenient space for parking and storage, and the secluded back patio and garden offer an excellent place to entertain guests and enjoy the afternoon sun. The property offers plenty of scope for adding value, giving you the flexibility to make improvements over time and increase the value of your home. Location's highly sought after, and it's a peaceful and friendly community that's conveniently located near cafes and restaurants, and it's only 10 minutes from the CBD with public transport, motorway access and the bike path right nearby. This is such a great home for those looking to get their start on the property ladder. We look forward to seeing you here, so come along to the open homes on the weekend or give us a call for a private viewing.